whatever I can think of, I just try and make a musical instrument out of it. What you see in front of you is 28 hours of failure and progression. First and foremost, I would class myself as a musician because that's actually like what I've grown up to do the most, and it has been my career up to this point. Ever since I was young, I liked engineering, like with Lego and stuff, and music as well, so I kind of put that together. And the thing that is very accessible is building things yourself. This is quite similar to my previous projects, as I've taken something that wasn't intended to be a musical instrument and turned it into a musical instrument. So here we have, it's a work in progress. This is the glass smashing, knife flicking 3000. It's gonna be like that's an octave. I'm gonna get all of those notes in glass form, and I won't have to touch one glass bottle because the drills will be touching it and then none of the forks. What I'm doing right now is I'm making the screwdriver be able to talk to other things. So this drill is going to be talking like this. It's going to transcend to be able to be talking over the network. Yeah, remember that, kids. Take your teeth health very seriously. The housing of the drill needs to be put back on because nobody likes to perform naked, except for naked performers. Popping the cam on, very pretty, lovely. It just sounds like pinball! I'm not sure what to do because the glasses, quite frankly, sound rubbish. Well, it just doesn't sound in tune in the slightest. I need to work out a little bit of a workaround because obviously this plan hasn't gone to plan. I need to know. What do I need to do next, Furby Council? Tell me, Furby Council, I don't know what I've got to do. Yes, a bit of a breakthrough. So now, instead of it being like a organic acoustic thing, every single one of these drills is going to be mic'd up. So I'm currently going for plan B, which is turning this into a funky sounding like rhythm machine that's going to make it sound like robots are in the background of the music. There's going to be a microphone on each of these drills, and they're all going to potentially go into different sounds. I'm going to put this BeatStep Pro, which is used to perform. Ah, hot glue! Ah! Every time! You can even hear me talking through this one. Hello. It's going to sound pretty funky. So as you saw, plan A didn't particularly go to plan. So here we have plan B, which I've lovingly called Drilly Mug Drill Drill. Anyway, let's take this for a spin. Today I am very happy with what I've achieved actually, because I started yesterday morning not having a clue how to do it because it was a very large challenge in such a small amount of time. But I'm glad I've actually got something in front of me that works as it's supposed to, not as I wanted it initially to work, but it's working as a musical instrument. If you're able to make things and do things yourself, you're just, you're a bit more practical, and it's just a useful things to be able to apply to fixing something. And make it yourself and recycle it out of something. It doesn't need to look perfect. It's just at least it's something that is repurposed.